Hi friends, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I'm going to discuss about Junos CLI modes. There are two types of CLI modes. One is an operational mode represented by an angular bracket and configuration mode represented by a hash or a pound sign. So now let us go to the device. So this is the initial login prompt. So you type CLI, which will take you to the operational mode. So you can execute all sort of operational mode commands like show commands. For example, if you want to do show configuration, you can do, or if I want to do a show configuration and display set format, you can do display set. Okay, or else if you want to do like show version, you can execute show version. And also only a certain command you can do in the operation mode. For example, set is always used for configuring anything. So in operation mode, there are some restriction. For example, you can't configure any interfaces, or if you want to configure any protocol, only you can just go to the configuration mode. In the operational mode, it will not allow you. Even if you want to only set the CLI directory, or if you want to set any date, it will allow in the operational mode. But if you want to set any interfaces, or if you want to set any protocols, or for example, if you want to set any policy options, all these configuration only it will allow in the Juniper configuration mode. Okay, in the operational mode it will not allow. Okay, so now type configure, so which will take you to the operational mode. So this we call it as a Juniper edit hierarchy. So if you want to change it to interface hierarchy, what you have to do? So for example, I want to configure any interfaces. You have to go to edit interfaces. Okay, then you can set the command set, what is the interface name is em0.0, there is unit 0 family inet address like 1.1.1.1/24. Now let us, if you want to go to the top hierarchy, you can go to top and you do a commit. Okay, this is the one thing you can do. So now it is prompting for the root authentication. Since we are not set the root authentication, so set system root authentication plain text password. So both these passwords should be same. Okay, so always go to the top hierarchy. Okay, why means, for example, if you want to set any protocols, what we have to do? Go to this hierarchy, edit protocols or BGP. For example, you can go like this. So this is hierarchy event. If you want to set anything, like you can set group 1 and type, you can make it as external. Okay, so then you can go to the top hierarchy, and if you want, you can do a commit operation. So this is an example what are the hierarchy we can follow. There are two modes. One is an operational mode where we can perform all monitoring and show commands, and also that doesn't mean you cannot perform the show commands in the configuration mode. So in even this edit hierarchy, you can perform all the show commands what you are performing in the operation mode. Only thing is you have to add this run. Okay, run show version. You have to append run show version, or you can also do like run show configuration. Okay, these are the things you can execute in an configuration mode. So I hope you enjoy this video. These are the two types of mode. One is an operation mode and the configuration mode. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a good day. Thank you.